Have you ever wondered what it takes to be a Navy SEAL? The journey begins with a decision, a commitment to serving your country in one of the most challenging roles in the military. The first step on this path is to enlist in the U.S. Navy, but this is just the beginning. Next comes the Basic Underwater Demolition SEAL Training, or BUD-S, located in the sunny yet demanding shores of Coronado, California. This isn't your typical boot camp. BUD-S is renowned for its high attrition rate, and for good reason. Candidates are put through a series of physically and mentally demanding exercises designed to test the limits of their endurance and determination. One of the most grueling stages is Hell Week, a 5.5-day continuous training evolution that pushes candidates to their breaking point and beyond. Only the strongest survive this trial by fire. To become a SEAL, you must first brave the rigors of BUD-S and prove yourself in the crucible of Hell Week. Once a candidate survives BUD-S, their journey is far from over. Now the focus shifts to specialized training. This is where the skills that define a SEAL are honed. The training includes marksmanship, where perfect aim is the goal. It's not just about hitting the target, but hitting it in the right spot. Then there's breaching, where trainees learn how to gain entry into structures. This is crucial for operations that require a swift and silent entry. Communication skills are also a significant part of the training. SEALs need to communicate effectively under extreme conditions, passing on vital information without fail. Medical skills training is another critical aspect. On the battlefield, a SEAL might be the only lifeline for an injured comrade. They need to know how to handle such situations effectively. Finally, there's specialized training for various SEAL teams. Each team has its own focus and mission set, so the training is tailored to fit these requirements. With this specialized training, a SEAL becomes an expert in a variety of skills, ready to serve in any SEAL team. As a fully trained and specialized SEAL, the real mission begins. These elite warriors are assigned to SEAL teams and may be deployed across the globe to tackle a myriad of missions. Whether it's direct action, special reconnaissance, or unconventional warfare, SEALs are always at the forefront. And the environments they operate in, just as diverse. From the sweltering heat of desert landscapes to the dense foliage of jungles, the vastness of the open sea, and the complexity of urban settings, a SEAL's office is the world. But the work doesn't stop after deployment. Oh no, continuous training is a crucial part of a SEAL's life. To stay at the peak of their physical and mental abilities, they engage in regular firearms training, combat diving, and parachuting. Whether in the desert, jungle, or urban settings, a SEAL must always be ready for the next mission, constantly honing their skills. The life of a SEAL goes beyond the missions and training. It's a lifestyle that demands resilience, not just from the SEALs themselves, but also from their families. Extended periods away from home, coupled with the high-risk nature of their profession, can be quite challenging. Yet within this demanding lifestyle, there's a sense of brotherhood, a tight-knit community that supports each other. It's this camaraderie that helps SEALs and their families navigate through the many challenges they face. Active duty careers in the SEALs are typically relatively short, given the intense physical and mental demands of the role. But the transition from active service opens up new avenues. After retirement, SEALs often find their skills and experiences highly valued in various fields. Some may choose to work in the private sector, others pursue careers in law enforcement or continue serving in government agencies. Despite the challenges and demands, the brotherhood and camaraderie of the SEAL community provide a strong support system, and the skills and experiences gained serve SEALs well, even after retirement.